Hey there, fellow money enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of finance and the psychology behind it? Well, get ready because today I'm going to share with you 10 invaluable lessons about money from the best-selling book, The Psychology of Money. Lesson 1. Money is like a lopsided seesaw. We often think that more money equates to more happiness, right? But wait, hold up. In this enlightening lesson, you'll discover why money isn't the ultimate happiness booster and how the lopsided seesaw of wealth and contentment really works. Lesson 2. The importance of getting rich slowly. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? Lesson 2 unveils the secret sauce behind building long-term financial success. So, get ready to embrace patience and discover the power of compounding. Lesson 3. The role luck plays in your financial journey. Fortune favors the bold, they say. But what about luck? Lesson 3 investigates the unpredictable nature of luck in our financial lives. Get ready to explore how luck can influence our successes, failures, and everything in between. Spoiler alert, it's not just about skill and hard work. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Lesson 4. Why your financial choices are driven by emotions. Ever find yourself making impulsive financial decisions? Lesson 4 uncovers the mysterious realm of behavioral economics and how our emotions drive our money choices. Tune in to learn how to make smarter, more rational decisions when it comes to your hard-earned cash. Lesson 5. The importance of humility in wealth management. Lesson 5 delves into the fascinating concept of maintaining humility while managing wealth. Discover the surprising correlation between financial success and staying grounded, and the importance of knowing when to take risks and when to play it safe. Lesson 6. The danger of overconfidence in financial matters. Lesson 6 reveals the hidden dangers of excessive confidence in the world of finance. Uncover the pitfalls of overestimation, understand the true cost of taking unnecessary risks, and learn how to strike the perfect balance between confidence and caution. Lesson 7. The value of understanding your own financial goals. Lesson 7 sparks self-reflection by emphasizing the importance of knowing your financial goals. Whether it's achieving financial independence, securing your dream home, or funding your dream business, learn how aligning your goals with your money mindset can work wonders for your financial future. Lesson 8. The joy of spending wisely, not frivolously. Lesson 8 reminds us that it's not about how much money we have, but how we utilize it. Discover the art of mindful spending, the thrill of investing in experiences, and the transformative power of using your money wisely. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Lesson 9. The significance of financial flexibility. Lesson 9 explores the importance of maintaining financial flexibility in our ever-changing world. From emergency funds to investment diversification, learn how adaptability can serve as a financial lifesaver and keep you on track, no matter what happens. Lesson 10. The true meaning of wealth and happiness. And finally, Lesson 10 encapsulates the ultimate wisdom from The Psychology of Money, the true meaning of wealth and happiness. Discover why material possessions alone can't fulfill us, and how genuine wealth lies in the relationships we cultivate, the experiences we cherish, and the impact we make on others. So there you have it, my friends, 10 eye-opening lessons about money that will change the way you perceive wealth, success, and happiness. Join me as we embark on this enlightening journey together. Don't forget to grab a copy of The Psychology of Money, and let's transform our financial lives, one lesson at a time. Until next time, stay financially empowered and never stop learning. Here's to a brighter future filled with wise financial decisions and lasting prosperity.